Alright guys, it's time for a updated video on how to use Pokemon Showdown to create sets to trade with the bots on Discord. My old video I had on Facebook, and it just showed you how to do it for Sword and Shield. But it's a little bit different now that we have BDSP, PLA, and I'm also going to add Let's Go in there. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this can be done on the computer or on your phone. So what you want to do is go to your internet browser, and we'll type in Pokemon Showdown. Alright, and it should be the first link that pops up. Let's see. No, it didn't pop up the first one. There we go, Pokemon Showdown. This one right here. You can click on this link here, or you can go directly to the team builder. I like to go directly to the team builder. Okay, so what you want to do is click New Team, and then from here you can select your format. So we can select format for Sword and Shield. You want to use Ubers. For BDSP, I recommend OU or UU. Don't use Ubers because a lot of those show up as illegal. Now for PLA and Let's Go, they don't have a format for either of those games. So what I do is I use a website called RankedBoost. You can use whatever. You can use Cerebi or Bulbapedia. But RankedBoost I feel is a pretty good website. I use them. So we'll get to that here in a minute. So let's just sorry, let's just go ahead and do it for Sword and Shield. So we'll do Ubers, and then we'll click Add Pokemon. Now that we got our format set, Add Pokemon. From here, let me hide this. From here, you can type in the Pokemon name that you want. Keep in mind, you see these Calyrex Ice, Calyrex Shadow. The bot won't trade fused Pokemon like this, so they will be illegal. The bot can't trade them. Darmanitan, Galar, it'll trade that. There's certain things that the bot won't trade if it's illegal, or like I said, these fused Pokemon. But other than that, it should pretty much trade anything. This Kyurem Black and White, it won't trade those because they're fused. So let's just go. We'll go with Lugia. You can here you see the Pokemon name. You can change the Pokemon just by typing whatever. Alright, and down here we have a list of all the items in game that the Pokemon can hold. So if you know what you're looking for, just start typing in this item box here. Do a Master Ball. Here you can select your ability. We have Sturdy, Rockhead, and Hidden Ability, Heavy Metal. Okay, now we have our moves. This list of moves, they should all be legal. I can't guarantee that they are, but they should be. Just to save time, we'll go with the first 4. Alright, this box here, up here under details, we can select our level. So let's say we'll just make it level 70. You can select your gender, male, female, or random. We'll just leave it set for random. Select you want shiny or not. Shiny, yes. Alright. Now go over here to this stat box. Now here you can adjust your EVs, your nature, and your IVs. IVs are automatically set to 31. You can change those to whatever. Nature, there's a list of natures and tells you what stats it boosts. So we'll just keep with that. And then you can adjust your EVs. Max is 248. Or I'm sorry, should be 248. Thought it was 252. I guess not. Anyways, so you can slide those however you want them. If you don't care about the EVs, you can come over here into this guest spread, and you just click this gray box here, and it'll automatically fill it in based on the nature it has. It will do a recommended nature and put the stats in there how they should be. So that's all it is when it comes to creating Pokemon with Pokemon Showdown. From here, to get it to Discord, you'll just click on Import Export, and you'll copy this. So just press Control C, or if you're on the phone, just select it and press copy. Now we'll go to our Discord. This is Pokemon Empire Discord. This is my Discord. There will be a link to it in the description of the video. Everything on here is free to use. We have bots for PLA, Sword and Shield, BDSP, Let's Go, and then we also have a Gen 7 bot. But this is for Sword and Shield. We made this file for Sword and Shield, so we'll go to the Sword and Shield bot and click down there and just Control V, or you can copy and paste. And you also want to add %trade with a space. Okay, and now all my bots on my server have the prefix here in the name. So if you're unsure what the prefix is, you can just check the bot name. Like for this one, it's %. For this Mirror 2 bot, it's and. You can see it's in the name. So once we got all that done, just press enter. Alright, bot added you to the queue. Send us a DM. Tells us what our trade code will be, estimated wait time, all that good stuff. So whenever the bot says your turn, you go and type this code in, and it'll trade you the Pokemon you requested. Now for Let's Go and PLA, it's a little bit different because, like I said, they don't have a format for this, so it's hard to tell which moves are legal and which ones aren't. So what I do, I leave the format blank and just say we want to make a Hisui and Growlithe. So, sorry, here we'll just type in alright, Growlithe, Hisui. You see it says it's illegal because we don't have a format set. So it'll be the same thing. PLA, they cannot hold items, so we'll leave this blank. And yeah, so all this is pretty much the same. The level, depending on if it's going to be alpha or not, you cannot make this alpha with Showdown. You can add a line to make it alpha in your Showdown set, and I'll show you how to do that whenever we get this set ready. So basically what you want to do, we don't know which moves are legal, so we'll just say this is going to be, we'll just do this level 70, we want it male, we want it shiny. Alright, so how do we figure out which moves are legal? And that's where we go to a third-party website. Like I say, you can use Bulbapedia, a few other ones, but the one I recommend is RankedBoost. They keep track of pretty much everything. It'll show you everything you need to know about the Pokemon. So do Legends Arceus Pokedex RankedBoost, and you can see it, pull it up here. It's RankedBoost.com, Pokemon Legends Arceus Pokedex. And here we go. So we have our Pokedex here, and so we'll just go down and find our Growlithe wherever he is. If I can find him, I passed him up. Here we go, right here. We'll click on that one, and it'll pull it up. So we got little links here, little shortcuts to all the stuff for this Pokemon. It'll show you the base stats, best nature, food, foods it likes, and items it will be holding when you catch it in game. Let's see. Description of the abilities, how to evolve it, all that good stuff. So we want to go to our Met locations. Okay, so Hisui and Growlithe has 1 spawn locations in the Pokemon Legends Arceus. You can find the unevolved form from level 41. So this means right here that the Growlithe you're requesting, it cannot be below level 41. If you try to put this below level 41 and trade it with the bot will flag it as illegal and it will not trade it. So make sure you're requesting all the Pokemon for PLA, especially if you're doing an alpha. You want to make sure that you check the Met level, and you're requesting a level that you can actually encounter it in game. So here it says it can be level 29. Here it says level 41, depending on where you're catching it. Blah blah blah. Type weakness, blah blah blah. This is the research task in game for the Pokemon that you have to do. Best moves. Tell you what the best moves are, what level it has to be to learn that move. So I always like to use these when doing the Showdown set. So we have Double Edge, Flare Boots, Crunch, and Rock Slide. So we'll go back to our team builder, and we'll do Double Edge, Flare Blitz, I believe it was Crunch and Rock Slide. And here it says it's illegal, but that's okay because it's legal in the actual game. And there we go. There's other moves it can learn based on the level. I'll tell you all the stats about them. Moves it can learn from the move shop. So any of these moves should be legal to request when making a Showdown set. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. You just make sure you're using legal moves and you're using legal Met level. So that's how you would do it for PLA. And for Let's Go, it's pretty much going to be the same thing. You want to go to, we'll do this here, we'll do Let's Go, Pokedex, Ranked Boost, and here we go. And this page is a little bit different because it doesn't actually pull up a full Pokedex like the other ones do. So based on whatever Pokemon you're looking for, whatever type it is, you want to click on that. So we'll stick with Growlithe. It's not going to be Hisui and Growlithe. But Growlithe all the same. Alright, so here's all of fire Pokemon, and it goes by the type. You got fire, bug, dragon, all that good stuff. So here we have Growlithe, so we'll click on Growlithe and show you your base stats, where it can be found, Route 5, 6, 7, and 8, what level you can encounter it at. So you can encounter this Pokemon as low as level 11 all the way up to 27, it looks like. Or no, that's Arcania. 27, yeah. Tell you what, it'll recommend the nature. It says recommend mild nature Growlithe. You can visit blah, blah, blah. Okay, so mild nature for Growlithe is the recommended nature for that Pokemon. This is all the moves it can learn. Of course, what it does, the power, all that good stuff. Moves it can learn by TM. And yeah, so that's pretty much all it is to that. So you just make sure you select an illegal level and legal moves for Let's Go, and you do it the same way in Team Builder. You just add those moves, add the level, add the stats that you want, and that's pretty much it. Import, export with the bot. And then for this Hisuian Growlithe, I told you I was going to show you how to change it to alpha. So right here, anywhere in here before the moves, you can just add another line. We'll just put alpha. Yes, you want to make sure the format's correct. You want alpha to be capitalized. You want a space here, and yes needs to be capitalized. So when we go, we'll copy this, Control C, go back to our Discord, and we'll want to go to the PLA bots. I'll move this out of the way. There's something here, y'all can't see it. Alright, here we go. And we'll do %trade space and then Control V to paste that, and boom, added to the link trade. Bot sent us a DM with our trade code, and this they're a very popular bot for PLA. So it says estimated wait time is 41 minutes. This varies. Sometimes it's 5 minutes, sometimes it's 10 minutes. It just depends on how busy it is and what time of day it is. I imagine as the game goes on, the queue will get smaller and smaller. But because I own the bot or whatever, even though it says 41 minutes, it'll process my trade next. But I am not going to trade with the bot. Let other people trade. So we'll do %QC to clear myself from the queue. There we go. Move from the queue so I don't take up somebody's spot and time. So that's pretty much all it is for Showdown with creating sets. Like I said, the main thing is if you're doing for PLA or Let's Go, you want to make sure you're using legal stats. We'll use this RankedBoost. I'll have links to the Pokedex page for Let's Go. I'll also put one for the PLA. That way it's easier for y'all to get to. So if you know a better way or you have any questions, feel free to comment or message me on Discord. This is me, Joseph11024. Said I'm the owner of Pokemon Empire. So feel free to message me with any questions, comments, or complaints. So that pretty much covers it. I hope you all enjoy this video, and I hope this is very helpful to you.